Yesterday on 24th July 2018, the manager of State Bank of India, Margaon, had lodged a complaint. Manager name is Shamin Sheikh, that two unknown person, foreign national, by covering their face and wearing cap hat, came in the SBI ATM at Russia complex and install an electronic device, camera and a skimmer to the ATM machine. In his complaint, he mentioned that both of them came on 23rd night and on 24th morning also they had come. In the event, yesterday we registered a complaint of theft of data for cheating and for committing attempt. Thereafter, we kept all our staff at and around the ATM machine. Yesterday at 10:30 p.m., both two foreigners, namely one is Paul Daniel, age 38 years, resident of Romanian national, and another one is Email Serbo, age 33 years, resident of Romania national.
मजगती कोलवा पोलिसांनी 5 जणांक घरफोडी आणि दोघांक ड्रग्स प्रकरणात अटक केल्या. सरपंच म्हणटा असल्या वृत्ती आड जागृतायेची गरज आसा.
सुमार 7 जाण भुरग्या दोल म्हूण तितून इनवॉल्व आसलोले आनीक हे भुरगे पुलिसान आमकां सांगला ते भाशेन पुलिसान सांगला ते भाशेन हे भुरगे ड्रग्सांतूय इनवॉल्व आहाय म्हूण आनी हे ड्रग्सां वयर आमी कांय म्हयने फाटीं आमी अवेरनेस केलोलें.
कितें मेळ्ळें तेंचे कडेन?
तेंचे कडेन सुरयो, मोबायल आनीक हातयारां मेळ्ळीं थोडींच.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.